Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ka kenhon jok Election Commission of India kalawan shanong ba shlong bat kala pulut por hangni arsngi ban pej ya ki jingpen kre ya ki election MLA ka ban salong shen habakaran sikila pathai kubor u Chief Election Commissioner ka Election Commission of India u Rajiv Kumar ulaong bahakani ki jilla ki khambun ki nong Thep vote kan thai banik shenrang bat ki kan thai ki dan hado shipholang khandai pu ar laispa arhun reungot ha baro khat arli ki district Kinong Thep vote kibadan jingduna ki department kidan nyo hajar sauspa nyo puprangun Kinong Thep vote kibala palat ya ka prapo Snem kerta kidan arpu ar hajar nreuspa san puprangun bat Kinong Thep vote kibala palat ya ka hispa Snem pat kidan arspa khandai phongun nang taw loong ba ki samla kibana do ka khat pra hadu ka khat khandai Snem kidan prapu hajar sauspa saupulai ngut bat nalor kata la ailat ru ya ki samla kibala tam ya ka khat nyo Snem bat kiban sadap khat pra Snem ha ka sngi Thep vote bakin register lupano ya ka kerteng ge jongki khanang bakin yo ban Thep bat hadu menta kila don khandai spa san phongot kisamla kibala dep ban register yeladi.
To just give you an overview, the population of the state, as you all know, is 29,66,889 with male and female population being almost equal. There are 12 districts where we have to conduct the elections. And in terms of the overview of the elections, the term of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is up to 15th March 2023. So we have to complete the entire process before that. The male, if you look at the general constituencies, there are 5 and 55 are reserved for STs. And the male and female population and the voters ratio. Female outnumber the male here in the state. There are 10,92,326 female voters in the state. We also have taken on ourselves to earmark the persons with disabilities into our electoral roll, and there are 7,478 PWD voters. We are also very happy to report to you that all over the country and so in Meghalaya, we are marking all our voters who are 80 plus, and Meghalaya has in our electoral rolls 22,658 electors who are 80 plus, and we are very happy to also tell you 290 amongst them are 100 plus. So our respects to them. They have been always participating in the elections, and it's because of them that we are here in this shape of the democracy. We have written from the Commission individually to all of them to facilitate them and to pay our respects to them. We are focusing in the electoral rolls on inclusion of everybody, and the 18 to 19 years voters are also 81,443. Gender ratio is very happily 1022 in the state here, and EP ratio after this SSR is increased from 630 to 645 in the final roll, which again is a sign of the participation and more inclusion. This was during the SSR it happened. Another interesting thing we have started is that we are trying that after the 17 years, if somebody is completed, we give them an option to give an advance application to us. So we'll keep it with ourselves, and whenever they turn 18, we'll make them voters. This is to start inculcating the democratic values and ethos right from the beginning. And you will be happy to know that 950 youth of 17 plus age have registered with us in advance. So this is again a happy situation that people of the younger age are coming forward. Since 81,443 are 18 to 19 years, and I would request that when we have taken efforts to enroll them, they also convert this thing from roll to poll. They also should come and vote in the elections which are coming. To give you an overview of the polling stations and the preparations which we have made, the number of polling stations in the state is 3,482 with around 620 voters average, and predominantly rural settings, 3,157 being in the rural areas. Friends will manage 120 booths with women, all women staff, polling officers, presiding officers. Even the police and the police personnel would be women. So this is again a effort which Commission is making all India to make women empowerment our theme. And similarly, this time, as the youth we are registering, we have also started setting the booths which are managed only by youth. Means who have been into the government service just recently, we are picking up, and there are 60 booths which will be managed by our young employees, so as to give them the pleasure and the privilege of managing the booth and conducting the elections. And 50% of the polling stations, that's close to 17,041, would be webcast. We'll make arrangements that there are webcasting is done from those polling stations. 60 PS, as I mentioned, would look like this. They will welcome you, and the PWDs at some of the identified places will have booths which will be all managed by persons with disabilities. This is also a way of giving them honor and saying that they are fully empowered, they can handle as anybody else can handle.